welcome back to my channel. My name is TrenijahG and I have a new video for y'all. We are finally going to talk about Say No More, Beyonce's new perfume. Y'all, I've been waiting to actually do this review because for one, I didn't want to pay for it myself, and it just so happened that I know it like shipped around December, but my birthday was January, and I was like, let's think smart. And somebody did get it for my birthday. Yay. Thank you, Deidre. And it ended up being like a late birthday gift, but I got it. And I'm finally able to bring you y'all the review. Can you tell? I'm so excited. I'm really excited. But it came inside of here, which is just like a white box for like, you know, I was about to say transition, but actually shipping of the product. And it says Say No More, just the white box. I'm gonna insert a clip because I just end up giving that to DJ. Oh my god.
Okay, so I really hope that I'm in frame, but it comes with this. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this because yeah, it's so cute. I like how it's gray and it's like big enough where you can put it in your purse and still see it, but slender enough to actually fit in the purse, especially like if you have one of those little tiny bags. You can still put this in here. Smell good. Love it.
So this is the box, and then I have the unboxing and stuff for it, but it comes like with this silver shiny renaissance. I miss being at that concert. Sleeve. And then it comes in here with the whites. I'm definitely keeping this box for something. And then it has like the silver again, kind of like, you know, the circle, the soul. And this is how it's laying in the box. And the perfume comes out like here. Trying not to drop it, y'all. I have opened this to spray it on, you know, for like the trial version and to put it on because it smells so good to me. And then this is the actual perfume. This is just the holder, and it's giving like that Renaissance outfit, the one that I actually created, but I deleted all the pictures of it because it was kind of embarrassing because it didn't really go out the way I planned. It's a birth baby of that Renaissance outfit in Pose, and I say that because this silver part too is a holder for Pose. Yes, I got almost all of her perfumes. Beehive, okay? But I will make sure that that doesn't, like, you know, what I'm trying to say. I won't be too biased. Of course, I'll be a little bit biased because that's not, nobody's ever 100%, probably like 20%. But yeah, it gives me the mind of Pose because you can put it in and take it out. And also, it can be set down. But on the front side, it says Say No More, Beyonce, because she created it, of course. And then you have the soul in the back, where it's like the little circle. Yeah, that video, so cute. Say no more, say no more, say no. Y'all, I'm filming and this light is really hot. But yeah, so that's just like the design of it. She said that she wanted to like see the soul of the perfume, but like basically inside of the bottle. And the actual perfume color is like a little like a yellow tint. But this is a 1.7, so I believe a 50 milliliter. Because like when you look at it, you think it's more, but this is just the holding stand. I personally, I don't like that. It's giving like a little, you know, girl, you thought you was getting more, but you're not. But the design of it is cute, so I'm not too mad at it. But it does give you like, dang, what the rest of it? What the rest of it? Especially like this perfume is $200. It's not cheap. It's $160, but when you add on tax and shipping, it's $200. That's why I was like, I'm gonna just wait till somebody gives this to me. And I'm so happy that that actually happened because it usually don't. As far as the notes, I got my handy dandy iPad with me because I won't remember off the top of my head. The top notes are, ooh, clementine. Yeah, the top notes are clementine and golden honey. Honey, honey, honey. Renaissance. I miss you. Honey, honey, honey. Beehive. Okay. And the heart notes are rose, absolute, and jasmine. I definitely do get like a little flowery base. And then the base of it is give me 1 second. Let's spell it out, kids. Nine because my mind wants to say something else. It's Namibian, myrrh, and golden amber. And the like warmness I get is definitely from the golden amber and the golden honey that I smell a lot, because I'm not one to really go for like the florally, but I feel like that kind of bases it down, if that makes sense. And as far as the wear time of it, I did that. The notes are in my phone, but I like tried it on for like 9 hours. I believe around like the 6 hours, and of course it'll still be on the screen. On the 6 hours, I can smell it, but it wasn't like as powerful as it on me, if that makes sense, on my skin. But with the 9th hour, I did still smell it, but on the clothes more than anything. I feel like my body chemistry kind of ate it up a little bit, and that's without any lotion or anything. And then I did check the next day on the clothes. You still could smell it on the clothes. So I feel like if you want to have this like as a long time wear, you definitely have to put like some type of lotion, or some people use Vaseline or something that has like the same added notes to it to make it last longer. And just so you know, I only did this like for 1 day. So the other day I was just putting it on just to be cute. I didn't do like a test run for that. But I really do feel like this lasts longer. I know it lasts longer than the Versace. I know the girls love the Versace, but Versace don't last long. Unless like that is just perfect for your body chemistry. But generally, when I was working at Dillard's, no, it did not last long at all. This gives like body chemistry perfume until you get hitting that 7th hour, that 8th hour. You're not really gonna smell it unless you sprayed it on your clothes or something that's fabric. That's what I was getting from that. Do I recommend it? I recommend it for the girls that love like their sweet but warmth. It does give a little bit musky. If you're not into that side of the perfumes, I wouldn't recommend you get it. I wouldn't recommend you get this too if you were like a beginner. I mean, it's beginner friendly. Any perfume is a beginner friendly, but I wouldn't start off with it, if that makes sense. But I love it. Yes. Ooh. Okay, so when I first get like a whiff of it, it gives like musky, then I give the warmth of it, and then to me the last notes I get is the flowery scent. I think that's what I like it so much. But as more as you wear, I'm gonna have the notes on here because I just can't think of it off the top of my head. Crap, it's on my phone, which I'm recording with right now. Oh Lord. I will say though, it comes right out. It's not like a suction thing, but the top stays on. It's not suction, but it fits on there, if that makes sense. This is going to be a little bit wobbly. If you were like, it's not going to stay in here. So if that helps too. But I mean, you shouldn't be, being dramatic with it. It'll just sit on top. I hope that demonstration made sense. So I did look on my phone, and my notes were like at 5 hours and 30 minutes. I still could smell it on my skin, but not really. So I'm guessing like Lord. At that point, my skin, the body chemistry was just kind of eating it up. And then 9 hours and 11 minutes, I said that I could still smell it on my clothes, but more neutral. So it's not going to be as poignant, of course, when I first sprayed it. Right now, I still can spray it. Oh, and I would not recommend you did what I just did. Like I did, it doesn't need that because it's strong. It's strong when you put it on. Like, you can smell it. I remember when I first sprayed it And I was going around the house and making everybody smell me. And my sister was like, yeah, I can smell it when you sprayed it. So if you like that, great. If you don't, then definitely be that girl that only does like one spray and then kind of like just dab it, whatever they like. But honestly, that's my little short review of Say Noir from Beyonce, curated by Beyonce. Renaissance, mother of the house. It's funny that I had that on there. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, Say No More. Say No. If you like videos like this, I have other perfume reviews on my channel. I'll go ahead and have that on the slide. That's going to be next. And make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Comment what you think about Say No More. Say No.
Hey, catch a break.